Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is January, I think the 29th. I just looked at it. No, today is January the 30th. So check this out, guys, before I go into the video. Got my first call, and she booked the in-home consultation for Monday. So now I have 3 in-home consultations on Monday from the new wrap, which I'm loving, guys. So I'm gonna have the other van, which is out here today, because I have my ride along out here. So I have Tavares drive the small. So we're out here in Douglasville. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this one wrapped in about 2 weeks to match this one right here. So I got my first lead consultation. She said, yeah, I want a quote on my wood floors and my countertops. So guys, we're out here in Douglasville. This is my client Shay, Mr. Martin. Came out here about 2 weeks ago. He was getting some more work done on the house. He said, Courtney, I want to get my floors done. And also when I came out here, he also noticed that I did countertops from my brochure. So we're doing an engineered floor screen and recoat today. These are his engineered floors. And if you look really close, you might can't see it, but you got like little scuff marks. Let's see right there. So his floors are not too bad. But again, this is the type of homeowner that likes to keep the home maintained. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, is this living room, dining room combo. Then coming down this hallway into this kitchen, you can see Mr. Williams is getting a great screen on the floor. Tavares is going to go ahead and start doing the countertops. And I also went out and did 2 in-home consultations that went very well. One of them was one of my repeat clients that used me years ago when I was cleaning carpets, and he had his floor sanded, and they did not put good finish on their floor. So they have to come, he said, Courtney, just going to have you just do it right. So anyway, guys, getting a good screen on this floor. Stay tuned.
Douglasville, Georgia. Truman on deck. Ain't tearing it down. We bring it back. Pulled up to the crib, engineered wood flows tight. Dull in the light, yeah, they lost that fight. No sand, no dust, no day shut down. Screen it clean, lay it smooth, watch it turn around. We don't guess, nah, we prep it right. Every pass, even every coat tight. UV lights glow when the system engaged, bringing floors back to life same day. They said replace it, nah, we knew better. Technology strong, craftsmanship, pressure from worn out door to a brand new feel. That UV cure make it instantly real. Screen recoat, UV bring it back. Engineered floors looking brand new fast. One day shine, yeah, we do it legit. Douglasville glow when Truman did it. Screen recoat, UV cure, bring that floor back to life for sure. Screen recoat, UV cure, same day walk, yeah, that's the move. Granite looking cloudy, oil stains talking loud, surface is sloppy. Clean it up, buff it smooth, polish right, seal it down. Countertops catching light. Stone so clean, got it flexing on cam. Pop so crazy, got the whole room glam. Not nobody business how we make it shine, but everybody asking who did that time. No shortcuts, no game, just system skill and experience. That's the true way. Screen recoat, UV bring it back. Engineered floors looking brand new fast. Counters popping, stone shine crazy. Douglasville know who saved it lately. Same day, yeah, it's true. Scream, oh, what we do. Truman on deck, what we do. Douglas, Georgia. Floors restored, counters reborn. Truman on deck.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors look amazing. Nice new finish on it. Okay. Now I will say this too, guys, with these type of engineered floors, you don't see it much in here because this is probably an unused area. But like a little in the kitchen, but it could be also moisture from the door. If you look at some of, you really can't see it, but especially up in here, some of the boards kind of like wavy a little bit. Usually that's a moisture issue if they have a basement, but if it's in particular areas, it could be too much excess cleaning or some type of water damage. But it wasn't too bad, but overall, floors look great. Remember when we first came in, you see all the little buildup and the residue on the floor. All that is gone. All through here, dining room is perfect. Kitchen looks amazing. Oh yeah. And the countertops. All right, guys, we're supposed to get some snow, but we have a job tomorrow. The job that we started last week, remember I did a video about it. They had to re-sand that floor because the sanding guy put too much stain on the floor and it was coming off when we was rolling. So they had to sand that whole floor down. So we're gonna go back tomorrow and coat that floor and UV cure it because the homeowner did research and they requested the UV cure. And the contractor said, Courtney, you was the only person we can find locally that do the UV cure. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.